What's up people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of haute horology with a detailed look at the Kudoke 3, an incredible timepiece that embodies the art of independent watchmaking and a timepiece that won the Petit Aiguille prize in the 2024 GPHG. Again? If you don't get what I mean, do check out my previous review video on the Kudoke 1 and 2, which is more expensive than this Kudoke 3. If you're a fan of intricate design, handcraftsmanship and truly unique watches, you're in for a treat. But is this watch worth the hype and the price tag? Let's find out. Again, a big thank you to Sincere Fine Watches in allowing me to review their watches. And if you enjoy my videos and find it informative and helpful, I would really appreciate that if you could hit that like, subscribe and bell icon to support this channel. And if you don't like it that much, I would really appreciate your kind feedback in the comments below. Thank you. The Kudoke 3 is the latest creation from Stefan Kudoke, a German watchmaker who has built a reputation for blending traditional techniques with modern aesthetics. Part of his handwork collection, the Kudoke 3 follows in the footsteps of the critically acclaimed Kudoke 2, but it offers a new take on minimalist luxury. First impression, this watch is mesmerizing. The dial, the hands, the finishing. Everything about the Kudoke 3 screams individuality. Let's break it down piece by piece, starting with the case. The case is 39mm in diameter and crafted from stainless steel, which strikes the perfect balance between dressy and casual. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly well proportioned for a variety of wrist sizes. One detail that stands out, which is often overlooked, is the slim bezel, which maximizes the visual impact of the dial while keeping the overall profile understated. The finishing is top-notch. The full polished case ensures that the watch catches light beautifully. The case design is similar to that of the Kudoke 2. The lugs curve gently, making it comfortable to wear even for extended periods. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the dial. At first glance, it might seem simple, but trust me, it's anything but. The Kudoke 3 features frosted dials, half in the salmon color and half in white. The texture of the frosted surface and its multi-layered construct gives it an almost ethereal quality and adds a sense of depth. The applied hour markers are painted on this one-piece rainbow-shaped looking plate, which has its bevel polish. Running across it are three heat blue hour hands that comes in different length, which becomes invincible when underneath the salmon wave. And sitting above it is the hand-finished chapter ring using 4 screws and dots to indicate the minutes, with the 12 o'clock replaced with Stefan Kudoke's signature infinity symbol, a nod to the timeless nature of fine watchmaking. Sitting at the same level with the chapter ring is Kudoke's nameplate that is also applied, brush and bevel polish. Lastly, tying the knot to this entire masterpiece is a fire-blued minute hand that also has the infinity sign integrated on its counterweight. With the amount of layers underneath the AR-coated sapphire crystal, you can understand why it has to increase its height to the same level as the Kudoke 2. The details here are impeccably finished and provide excellent legibility against the frosted background. This is a watch that rewards close inspection. Every detail feels intentional and thoughtfully executed. Of course, what's inside the watch is just as important as what's on the outside. Let's flip it around and take a look at the movement. The Kudoke 3 is powered by the Caliber 1, a manual winding movement developed in-house by Kudoke. Although this movement is exactly the same as those in the Kudoke 1 and 2, this movement is still a marvel of traditional watchmaking. Look at the engraved balance cock. It's entirely hand engraved, showcasing a level of artistry that's rarely seen even in high-end watches. Winding the Kudoke 3 is an experience in itself. The crown has just the right amount of resistance and you can feel the quality of the gears as you wind it. With a power reserve of 46 hours, it's practically for daily wear. Though, you'll likely want to wind it just for the tactile satisfaction. One of the things I love most about the Kudoke 3 is how versatile it is. Despite its luxurious craftsmanship, it doesn't feel overly precious or delicate. You can easily pair it with a suit for formal occasion, but it also works well with a casual outfit. The 39mm size is ideal for a wide range of wrist sizes, and the slim profile means it slides effortlessly under a cuff. The strap is made from high-quality leather and features a matching steel buckle, adding to the overall sense of refinement. Now, Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Kudoke tree retails for approximately the amount you see here. That's a significant investment, no doubt about it. But is it worth it? Notwithstanding that, it is still lower than the Kudoke 2. So what do you think? Here's the thing, when you're buying a Kudoke watch, you're not just paying for a functional timepiece. You're paying for an artistry, the handcraftsmanship, and the exclusivity of owning a piece made by an independent watchmaker. Compared to the big brands in this price range, the Kudoke tree offers a level of uniqueness and attention to details that's hard to match. So what's the final verdict? The Kudoke tree is not a watch for everyone, and that's precisely its appeal. It's a timepiece for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate the finer details of watchmaking and want something truly different from the mainstream. From the frosted dial to the hand-engraved movement, every aspect of the Kudoke tree tells a story of dedication and passion. If you're looking for a watch that stands out in your collection and makes a statement without shouting, this could be the one. That wraps up our review of the Kudoke tree. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an upload. And let me know in the comments what do you think of the Kudoke tree. Will you add this into your collection? Thanks for watching and I'll see you the next time. Take care now, bye bye now.